Unlock limitless connectivity. Dell USB 3.0 Ultra HD 4K Triple Display Docking Station. Transform your laptop into a productivity powerhouse with the Dell USB 3.0 Ultra HD 4K Triple Display Docking Station. Say goodbye to the limitations of your laptop's ports and embrace a world of connectivity with up to 3 additional monitors, external devices, and high-speed internet, all through a single cable connection. Experience unparalleled versatility as this sleek and compact dock allows for easy expansion of your desktop computing environment. With support for Ultra HD 4K displays, enjoy crystal-clear visuals and immersive entertainment like never before. Connect with confidence, knowing that the docking station is designed for Ultra HD 4K resolution, ensuring stunning clarity and detail. Maximize your productivity with the ability to spread your desktop across 3 external displays simultaneously, including 1 Ultra HD 4K display and 2 Full HD displays. Manage multiple applications effortlessly and streamline your workflow with this triple monitor setup, making multitasking a breeze. Benefit from lightning-fast data transfer speeds with USB 3.0 technology, enabling seamless communication among connected devices. Say hello to enhanced productivity and entertainment options, all while simplifying your connectivity needs. Plus, with included peripherals like a USB cable, AC power adapter, HDMI DVI adapter, and installation driver CD, setup is quick and hassle-free. Empower your laptop with advanced networking and security features, making it ideal for enterprise use. With a gigabit Ethernet port, headphone jack, and audio output, stay connected and entertained while enjoying the peace of mind that comes with enterprise-level security. Upgrade your workspace today with the Dell USB 3.0 Ultra HD 4K Triple Display Docking Station and unleash the full potential of your laptop.